Oh, Maria! Kick the ass out of it. It's been a so wild life. Ooh! I parried the shit out of him. No, wait lang! No! 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 Hi mga tropa, it's a KATROPA Fox and Orange. Today, nandito tayo. Resident Evil 4 change a demo. So, everything that we've been hoping for, and dito na. We're going to play this game, a demo, which is the real game is gonna come out at March 24. And without further ado, let's go.
September 30th, 1998. It's a day I'll never forget. The cop inside me died that day. And that night, Raccoon City was wiped out, thanks to the bioweapons created by Umbrella. Somehow I made it out, but too many others weren't so lucky. I was asked later to join a top-secret government program. Not that I had a choice. The training, punishing missions, nearly killed me. But at least I kept my mind off everything.
Oh.
If I could just forget what happened that night. The pain, even for a second. This time, it can be different. It has to.
Alright, here we go. Oh, fuck. Here we go, boys. It's been 6 years since Leon S. Kennedy survived the Raccoon City incident, an unprecedented biological catastrophe caused by the Umbrella Corporation. Having distinguished himself as a U.S. special agent, he is tasked with locating the president's missing daughter. The search has brought him to an isolated village in Europe, where intel suggests the kidnapped girl was last sighted. Even Leo's past trauma could not prepare him for the nightmare, the insanity he would find him. Now let's start. Here we go. Alright, chapter 1. Deep in the woods. Oh! Ah, this is the car. But no police officer inside. Oh, I was hoping that I can explore deeper, but no. Right, off to the good start. I set the frame rate. I set the I set it to the priority to frame rate, so that's why the frame rate is a bit oh, I can run. Oh, 3.
How far could
so I can run. Oh, there's a crows there. Crows. Yeah, I set the frame rate to I set the priority to frame rate, so that's why it has a higher frame rate. Don't worry about the resolution though. It looks good. Medyo blurry lang, pero it's fine. Right. Let's stand. Alright, there we go. Oh, wow, this is the house. Ang dami pinakaiba, ah. Yo. Dami niya. Parang probinsya lang. Alright, let's go inside. Shall we? Here we go. Kind of excited. Woo! Alright, calm down, calm down. Hey yo, that's actually a nice room. Ito pampatabi ng mga manananggal. Yeah, I guess.
Anyone home?
Not that that's the concern of yours, but clearly that's not the point. That nobody is home. I think. What's this? Oh, it's an insignia. Ito. Si acerca el juicio. Judgment is nigh. I don't know what that means. I'm bad at English. Alright. I guess he has a nice crib, you know. Sampayan. It's looking Charlie good. Ay, na-trespassing to si Leon. Just for the fact that he just barged into the house. So, yeah, that makes him the trespasser. Oh, we needed a key. The key to unlock the door. How about through here? Oh. Oh, bear traps. And a fireplace. Oh! He just stood there. That's weird.
Sorry to barge in like this.
You better be sorry. After all, trespassing ka.
Busco a un policía. Vino aquí?
Spanish. No hablo inglés. De la fuerte. Has muerte. Where's the police? Oh, parry, Leon! Oh, parry! Oh! Ugh. Good riddance. Uh-oh. They're coming for my ass.
This is not good.
Oh, this is not good. Hunter's Lodge key. Alright. Oh, this is the key for the door. And I have a gun. Ugh, is it a rabbit? Ew. Ew, yummy. Mmm.
Man, that stinks.
Ooh. That's like mom's cooking. No, in fact, that's my mom. My mom cooks better than him. Oh, yung police officer. National Police Corps, officer's badge, Mariano Fernandez Castaño, police officer. Policia. Oh, just for the fact that Leon knows Spanish, that's actually, I'm surprised. And I can aim the gun, yes! Yeah, try to fuck me up, bitches. I know how to shoot a gun. Bloody in the hood. I came from the hood. Tactical aiming show. Damn. It's actually good. That's actually nice. Oh, oh! Big rat. Big rat. Oh, it's coming for me. Oh! Oh, no, no. It's fine. It's fine. Yeah. Yeah, maybe he got some food. Alright, let's go in. Here we go. Well, I think.
Hey!
There's a police officer. Oh, fudge. Alejandro!
What's your situation?
That's not
What
good.
the hell's going on?
It's not very good. Alright. Well, we better get out of here. As soon as possible.
What was that?
Oh, puta! Oh, sheesh! Oh, you don't know how you can shoot a gun? Yeah. Wait, what? Whoa, whoa, whoa! I can see a thing. Yeah, I've shot a lot of baddies.
This just keeps getting worse.
Baddies. Fuck, I've shot a lot of baddies in World War II. It's in my training. Oh! Oh. ¿Dónde está? Asesino! That's actually a Spanish word. Can we kill this dude? Can I kill him? Get him. Did you saw me? Did you see me? Ah, get in! Oh, thank God. Alright. Quiet.
Bruce, this is Condor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sit rep?
President's daughter, Baby Eagle. It's likely she's in this village.
Our intel was correct then. Well done.
Need a location on a nearby lake. She may have been taken there.
Copy that. I'll see what I can find.
Hurry up. Something's happened to the people here. My escorts are...
Uh-oh. Here's
Gotta
Johnny.
go. Talk later.
What you gotta do, Leon?
Let myself out.
Hey, what's good, dog? Baboosh. Grabe yun. Alright. Anyways, Hannigan looked thick. She looked nice. And I'm going to the bridge. Look at the Forbidden Bridge. Oh, I was hoping someone's here. No, but no one's there. Oh, crow. Gotta shoot this. See? There's a coins. Guess I played this when I was a kid. Can I reload? Ooh. Yeah, and I got that tactical reload. Gunpowder. The save station. But I can't save. Alright. Is there anything here? Is there any ammo? I need an ammo. Ooh, this is what I saw in demo. Someone's talking there. Oh, a crow again. Oh, fudge. The dog! Yeah, a lot of people are not happy with the dog. Because they killed the dog. No. Alright, let's go inside. Maybe there is ammo here. Oh, there is! Alright, so we have a nice ammo there. Like, that's a good crouch stand, alright. Crouching. Eh, no, may tao din. Can we stealth them? Wait, what? How did you see me? You gotta die. Fire, parry. Bing! Yeah, Oh ho ho ho. Stinky poo. Wait lang, pare, teka lang. Ooh. Stinky poo. R2. What the fuck? Hey. What, you smell the knife? Wait na mo yung knife. You're weirdly on. Let's show your fetishes here. Ugh. Right. Oh. Tama mo? Merong bear trap pa nga. Alright. So we go here. May tao. Imbecile! Oh! One more! Oh! Melee! Oh! Teka na. Better be dead. I gotta make sure. Okay, patay na. Patay talaga siya. He's dead, guys. He's dead. Change weapon. Oh, you got a flashlight. That's very nice. Very nice indeed. Ready, throw. Yeah, that's like in Resident Evil. Amazing. Ibang wow. Ugh. Look at that head. That is something you don't see every day. Ooh, gago. Ugh. Disgusting. Right, here we go. This is the village. It's the village. Oh, I'm guessing that's the guard.
Shit.
Por favor. No hablo. No hablo, mi familia. Eesh. And they're worshipping it. Why? That's not a good sign. Yeah, I better not go there. That's not even a good idea. Oh. Yeah, okay, the snake. Oh, there's a red. There's a green herb. Green herb. Wait, I have a red herb. Can I combine this? Does it work like... Does it work like that? Wow. It's just like Resident Evil 4. No hablo. No hablo Ingles. That's the only Spanish I know, okay? Forgive me for that. I hope it's not racist. Can you hide here? Oh, you can't. Oh. Maybe ammo's here. There's a key. Well, that's not good. However, there's a pesetas. So I take your money. Wait, get that ammo. Wait, how'd you get out there without being seen? Let's just go back here. Can I go back? You can see me, right? You can see me, right? Alright, I'm fine. We're gonna kill Maria. Maria de Leonora. R2. Ooh. It's the best thing that I can stealth kill. It depends on your gameplay, on your game style. Resources. What's resources? Alright, crafting material can be combined with auto sort, move, confirm. Doing design, receiving, custom handgun, SG09R, the flash grenade, resources can be combined with ammo. Can we? We can. Oh, there's a shotgun. Oh yeah, there's a shotgun here. Yeah, I know. Should we barge in? Should we barge in? Wait. Yeah, I'm gonna kill the chicken. I killed the chicken, guys. Wait, did they see me here? I would have been seen there, but yeah. What? ¿Dónde está? What? No, you didn't see a thing. You didn't see me. No. I don't think we can just barge in like that. There's someone here. Oh wait, can I still kill this? Oh, you gotta be dead. You're going to be dead. R2! Ooh! Yeah, good riddance, man. Alright, no one's here, Yeah, get some well, while you can get some supplies. What is there? Oh, everything's fine. Oh, there's a red herb. Can I just remove this one? Okay. Well, while I can stealth, I can just get some supplies. Is there anything I can grab? No, not at all. Okay, why don't we just kill someone right now?
Here we go.
Here we go. Melee weapon. Oh, what you want? Oh, what you want? Oh, head, and then kick the ass out of it. Oh, Gagi, no, Jimmy, no. Hey. Wait lang, dalawa sila. Teka lang. Calm down, calm your tits. Ooh, reload. Get inside the house. Oh my god. No, please. Sir, please. Alright. My man. Oh, Chainsaw Man. Dr. Salvador. Oh,
You could be kidding me.
oh, they ain't no shit. Alright. Hold. Yeah, that's what I would do when I play this game in like Resident Evil 4. Okay, okay, sinisira na niya. Okay, okay. That's my cue to get out of here. Shotgun! Shotgun, please. Get the grenade. No! Alis dyan, alis dyan. Oh. Ah, Maria. Kick the ass out of it. Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Ah, Dr. Salvador. It's been a so wild life. Ooh! I parried that shit out of him. No, wait, no! Oh! Wait! What? Hold up. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. That's not good. Ang inang yan. Teka lang. May tao pa dito. Woo! Oh shit. Alright, shotgun time. Oh no, grenade first. Oh, gago. What? Boom! Oy, gago. Oy, fuck. Oh, wait. This one, yes. Okay, wala ba akong... Can I craft a thing? I can craft a thing.
They keep coming.
Wait, what the heck? What?
Huh?
Kill the thing! What? Yo!
La campana.
What? Oh, oh, I didn't kill the chainsaw guy.
Los invoca.
Oh, they're going to the bell.
Tenemos que servir.
They're going to the light.
Todopoderoso.
As if they're ignoring him. Okay, ito na po. Simbang gabi na. Simba mo na kami, brother. Wow. Just like that, huh? Grabe yun. Oh. Wow.
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
Resident Evil 4. Wow. Amazing. That's it. Grabe yun. Well, I guess that's the end of the gameplay. Demo results, completion time 15 minutes. Enemies routed, killed 32, mine acquired 4,800. Charlie good. And thank you for playing. Thank you also. So available at March 24th, 2013. So guys, that's it. That's the gameplay here. Resident Evil 4 demo. So that's it. That's the video. So thank you guys for watching. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. See you guys later. Babush.